Mwe chemuba mumanya nti Sheebah ali mu kunyumirwa motherhood. Ali wano waletako omwana musino era leero amukomezaawo n'amutulagako ne bafulumako nabagamba yes obudde bunyogga neffe tuli covered, we are safe, okay? N'amuleeta ne babeera nga banyumirwako outside. Nagamba it's the first time I'm bringing him out. Nagamba nti gwe mulundi ogusoose kubanga muleetako kubanga alaba ku snow era mulese nabeera nga ate amulaga ku muzira naye agulabeko PrinceAmir, the little bird. Naye nga mukwano nkujjukiza nti this is Patricia's latest. Make sure that you subscribe, like and share, tap the notification bell oberenga tofuna notifications blue nteka hpya kweno channel. Katulabe Sheebah ne little bird.
So where? You know?
Yeah.
Hi guys, Happy New Year from me and my little bird. We are in our first snow. It's not cold, guys. Don't worry, he's fine. Hi, honey. Hi, honey. Are you seeing snow? Snow. This is snow. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Yay. Bears? She does bears? She does bears? You look exactly like this bears with your bitama. Hey. Who's disturbing my boo-boo? I love you. I love you. I love you. You love me too. I love you.
Yenga kano ka once Sheebah said mwakalaba banange abesimi ababeera okumpi ne Sheebah banamwe abana bano bakola ka challenge. Once Sheebah said this, once Sheebah said this. Mama so kato balabeko.
Once Sheebah said
You're valued for your value.
hi Adila. Hi. Once Sheebah said hi. Once Sheebah said take only the good about me and leave the bad. Hi Carol. Hi. Once Sheebah said terera nkwase sina budde bungi tutase chimu. Hi Sheebah Karungi.
Hola.
What did Samali say?
Nali kitabu kiri open kyebalina okusoma tebasoma.
Period.
Era bwatyo leero little bird bwabadde PrinceAmir omwana omubwati owa Sheebah Karungi. Lega bukwano nkujjukiza nti tewendabira kubanga wo subscribing, liking n'okusharinga, tapping a notification bell oberenga tofuna notifications buli wenteeka ekipya kweno channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.